Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Flinks, which is Flinks safe to use with my banking information? Flinks is a financial data platform that many companies use to connect to your bank account with your permission. This is typically done to verify your identity, assess your financial health for things like loan applications, or link your accounts to a financial app. The short answer is that Flinks takes extensive security measures, but you should still understand how it works and what you are consenting to. Flinks states that security and privacy are top priorities. They use industry-standard security practices, including advanced encryption, like AES 256, to protect your data both when it's being sent and when it's stored. They also maintain high-level security certifications, such as SOC 2 Type 2 report, which confirms that an independent auditor has verified the effectiveness of their security controls. They are also backed by a major Canadian financial institution, the National Bank of Canada. A key point is that your data is shared only with your explicit consent. You control who you share your information with and can often revoke that consent. Flinks is a connector. It moves your data securely to the financial service provider you choose, and they are committed to not storing your bank login credentials in a way that is viewable or shared. However, a point of controversy in the industry is the method of connection. Traditionally, some methods used what's called screen scraping, where the service uses your online banking username and password to log in as you to retrieve data. While Flinks also supports more modern and secure connections like OAuth, which is an industry best practice that lets you authorize data sharing without giving away your password, some banks may still require the credential-based method. Giving your login credentials to any third-party service could technically violate your bank's terms of service, which is something to be aware of. To ensure your safety, always check a few things. First, verify that you are on the legitimate Flinks connection portal or the trusted app that is using Flinks. Second, only provide consent to services you fully trust and understand exactly what data you are sharing and for how long. You have the right to request that your data be corrected, updated, or erased from Flinks records. So, while Flinks is a major company with robust security standards, the safety of the entire process depends on their security, your bank's connection methods, and your own vigilance in granting consent. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.